Students, in the previous video, we have studied about the rules for the ray diagrams of concave and convex mirror. Now, first we will see here what is object distance and what is image distance. See, this is the concave mirror, pole, focal point, center of curvature. This is object. The distance from the pole to an object, it is called as object distance and it is denoted by U. Now this is image. The distance from the pole to an image, that is called as image distance and it is denoted by V. Now students, you must keep in mind whenever you draw the ray diagram, you should measure the focal point and center of curvature with the scale. Suppose you can take the center of curvature 10. If you take the center of curvature 10, you can take the focal point as 5. Now see here, this is an object which is put very far. The image is forming at the focal point, pointed, and the dark image is forming here. So whenever we keep the object at far, the image, we will get the point size image on the focus. Now see here students, if you take the object, if you put the object beyond C, the image is formed between F and C. See here, I am drawing the ray diagram. You should practice it with the pencil and should measure the focal point and center of curvature. See here, this is the object beyond C. The first ray is parallel to the principal axis and the reflected ray passes through the focal point. Now, see here, the second ray passes through the focal point and the reflected ray parallel to the principal axis. Where these two rays are met, we can draw their image. So the image is real, inverted and diminished. Okay, yes, you can see here real, inverted and diminished. Now next, see here, if you take the object at C, the image is formed at C and it is real, inverted and the same size. See here, we will draw it here. See, pole, focal point, center of curvature. Put the object at the center of curvature, first ray parallel to the principal axis and the reflected ray passes through the focal point. Second ray passes through the focal point and the reflected ray parallel to the principal axis. So the ray formed at C only, it is real, same size and inverted. Now next here, if you put the object between F and C, the image is formed, can be out beyond C, but the image is enlarged. Okay, now we will draw it. Pole, focal point, center of curvature, the object between F and C, first ray parallel to the principal axis and the second ray passes through the focal point and the reflected ray parallel to the principal axis. The image is formed beyond C. So the image is real, inverted, but it is enlarged. Okay. Next, see here, if you take the image at F, if you are putting the image at F, you will get the, if you take the object at F, you will get the image at very far. Image is formed at infinity. See here, why the image is formed at infinity? See, focal point, center of curvature. Object is at F. First ray parallel to the principal axis and reflected ray passes through the focal point. Now, second ray we will not draw. We will draw the third ray passes through the center of curvature. So these two rays are not met together. So the image is very far. Next, see here, if you take the object between pole and the focus, the image is formed inside the mirror. So virtual image can be seen inside the mirror. Okay, it cannot be obtained on the screen. See, between F and C we are putting the object. First ray parallel to the principal axis and the reflected ray passes through the focal point. Now third ray passes through the center of curvature. But if we take inside like this, so the image is formed inside the mirror, virtual image, erect and very enlarged. Suppose, see this in this diagram, we are taking the convex mirror. In the convex mirror, the object is here and the image, the first ray parallel and the reflected ray, and here the second ray which passes through the center of curvature, also the reflected ray passes the same. But these two rays inside the mirror, they met a point where the diminished image is formed. So in the center of in the convex mirror, the diminished image is formed. In the next video, we will see the derivation for the mirror formula as well as magnification formula, and we will do a problem. Okay, so you can subscribe this channel and you will get the new videos. Okay, Allah Hafiz.